Launch X431 PRO3S Plus Elite Review. Honest proof this scanner replaces dealer tools. Have you ever plugged in a scan tool, stared at a vague fault code, and felt completely stuck? I have. One afternoon, a customer's truck sat dead in the bay, multiple modules screaming errors, and my scanner blinked uselessly at me. Drop a comment below. How many of you have been burned by a tool that simply could not go deep enough? So you try another tool. Same brain fog. You clear the codes, drive the vehicle, and watch the faults return like clockwork. Generic readers, mid-range handhelds, even some well-known brands. None could command actuators. None could remap an ECU. None could map the entire network visually. There had to be a calmer, smarter, more professional way to tackle today's complex vehicles with real confidence. Then everything changed when I found the LAUNCH X431 PRO3S Plus Elite. And before I go further, do not just pick any bidirectional scan tool. Make sure it has full J2534 pass-through protocol support, so you never waste time on incomplete ECU programming dead ends again. That single feature separates serious professional tools from expensive shelf decoration. My first real session was on a mixed fleet, a Freightliner and 2 European imports back-to-back. The topology map instantly lit up every control module in color-coded clarity. I could see exactly which nodes carried faults, which were clean, and which needed deeper investigation, all within seconds of connecting the SmartLink C2.0 VCI. Here is what surprised me. The bidirectional controls worked smoother than I honestly expected at this level. Commanding the EGR valve, running a full DPF regeneration, testing the coolant bypass valve, all executed cleanly without hesitation. The 60-plus special service functions cover oil resets, ABS brake bleeding, throttle adaptation, transmission relearn, battery registration, injector coding, and suspension calibration. Running on a 10.1-inch Android 10 screen with 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and wireless VCI freedom, this felt less like a scan tool and far more like a complete diagnostic command center living right in my hands every single day. Long-term, the daily workflow impact is genuinely hard to overstate. A Ford senior master technician with 21 years of hands-on experience described the LAUNCH X431 PRO3S Plus Elite as detecting every module and pulling fault codes in literal seconds, faster than IDS, faster than FDRS, faster than Autel units he had used professionally for years. That kind of experienced, credible voice carries serious weight. Fleet professionals managing mixed Peterbilt, Freightliner, and Dodge vehicles report it performs flawlessly across every vehicle type, consistently calling it a real money and time saver. Independent shop owners specifically praise the topology map for eliminating the guesswork of hunting faults across complex modern CAN bus networks. Diagnostic specialists comparing it directly against Autel MaxiSys alternatives rank its J2534 programming depth and 60-plus service function breadth as class-leading at this price point. Now, the most common objection I hear is the annual software renewal fee after the 2 free years expire. Here is the calm, logical answer. 2 full years of free updates are included from day one, covering new vehicle models, updated protocols, and continuously expanded service functions. For any shop processing real vehicles daily, that return on investment calculates itself almost immediately. Here is a quick question worth considering. How many vehicles does your shop or garage handle each week? That answer likely tells you everything you need to know about whether this platform genuinely fits your situation right now. Imagine starting every single workday knowing your scan tool can confidently handle anything that rolls through your bay. Passenger cars, HD trucks, European imports, mixed fleet vehicles, all on one platform without switching tools or second-guessing your coverage. The LAUNCH X431 PRO3S Plus Elite delivers that calm, professional control every session. Thousands of technicians and serious DIY mechanics are already running it as their daily diagnostic hub. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Let's make your diagnostics smarter, starting today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.